Well, the first hurricane of the Atlantic season is just east of the Bahamas. Hurricane Erin is not expected to make landfall in the U.S., but it is expected to create dangerous surf and rip current conditions up the east coast. ABC's Victor Okendo is in North Carolina with more.
Hurricane Erin regaining its strength overnight and intensifying into a Category 4 hurricane. This video captured by hurricane hunters as they flew their plane into the eye of the storm, the massive eye wall looming above. Erin being felt in parts of the Caribbean over the weekend with heavy rain and wind. The storm's outer bands lashing the Virgin Islands and flooding parts of Puerto Rico. Thousands left without power. A dramatic rescue of two divers caught on video in the rough seas off the coast of St. Croix as Erin stormed closer to the island.
You saw them, next 6 seconds you couldn't even see them because the swells were so high. We were on top of them and they were like, yeah, give me 10 seconds. They were so excited when they saw us, and it was a relief.
Despite hurricane's position offshore, it's bringing dangerous surf from South Carolina to Maine, with waves expected to reach 12 feet in some places. Lifeguards along the East Coast already on alert due to recent drownings. Now Erin is forecast to bring with it life-threatening surf and rip currents as it turns north.
We're looking to see some rip currents. We've heard anywhere from 8 to 10 feet on a given day.
Despite the offshore track, Hurricane Erin is a real threat to this area. A state of emergency is in place and several counties have ordered mandatory evacuations. Officials urging everyone, residents and visitors, to make their final preparations. Victor Okendo, ABC News, Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina.